Very good morning to all of you. And time is 10 o'clock. So let us start on time as always. On behalf of MTC Global family, I extend a hearty welcome to all of you for MTC Global's 12th annual Global Education Summit, what we call as World Edu Summit. For last 3 years, we have been organizing online because of pandemic, and in fact, last 2 years the COVID effect was severe. But this year also, we thought let us have it online as well because many people may have a lot of reasons not to travel. Keeping that in mind, we thought that online is the best mode and the best way to move forward as well, because no people at their comfort they can join and we can get a lot of good speakers across India and outside India. So that's the beauty of being online in terms of time, efforts, and expenses. And at the same time, we can record the video and we can upload in our YouTube for wider circulation. So once again, thank you so much for all of your presence. In the name of Almighty and with the blessings of all seniors, professionals who are present here and part of MTC Global family, and best wishes from my friend and colleagues in MTC Global Network. So let us start 12th World Edu Summit. There are some speakers from overseas and I'm sure that they will join shortly. But let us start on time. There may be the serial may be a little bit up and down, but we'll ensure that everything moves on smoothly. Now there is, before we start, let us observe 1 minute silence. I'll give a countdown for that. This is due to the demise of our Honorable Chairman, MTC Global Advisory Board, legendary professor, Professor Dr. P.H. Wadekar sir. Because of age-related sickness, he died on 12th August at the morning, early morning, 4:25 a.m. And he's one of the strongest pillars in MTC Global family. And he used to share his knowledge and wisdom with all of us and a lot of enlightenment. So we have lost a great resource, but his interaction and views on education and different other areas, we have created a repository and which will be uploaded in our MTC Global channel. Probably that would be good to carry forward and pass on the knowledge to the next generation. So the 1 minute silence starts from now. Thank you so much. It's over. Now let's start with today's proceedings. The 12th World Edu Summit, we have kept the theme for the summit as Universities Without Walls, the open, sustainable and autonomous university. And as for our practice for the past 12 years, on the theme of the conference, every year we bring out a book, edited book. And this year also in the name of the summit, but these are not the no proceedings of today's conference. These are research papers and the contributions made by the more than 20 authors from India and overseas. The book will be released today, and we kept it purposely the PDF book so that we can upload in ResearchGate and academia.edu, and we can do free circulation so that knowledge can flow freely. In terms of no hard copy, Many people have limitations as far as buying the book, and the circulation is also concerned. I think that's also another great benefits and our mindset change due to this COVID. So online is going to be there, and it's sustainable, and the blended is the best mode to move forward. Now, I welcome all the delegates, especially for this summit, and the speakers. We have today a line of great speakers. Let me just welcome all of them. Then our chairman for the panel discussion, Mr. Ramesh Bhemuganti sir, will take over shortly. We have with us Professor Dr. Mortis Van Ruyen, Chief Executive Group Rector, Global University System in London. Yesterday, he informed me that he'll be joining while traveling from Switzerland. So there may be a little bit timing for his talk. So we'll accommodate sir whenever he joins. We have with us the chief guest for today's chief guest for today's program, and our great support and well-wisher, Barrister Sameem Haidar Patwari, Honorable Member of Parliament, Republic of Bangladesh, and Chairman Board of Trustee, Dhaka International University. He is a very young and the youngest parliamentarian in Bangladesh, and always support in all our activities, and a great visionary. And Dhaka International University is one of the leading private universities in Bangladesh, and also an official partner for 12th World Edu Summit. In our panel discussions, we have Mr. Ramesh Bhemuganti, one of the member of MTC Global Advisory Board, and a great support and a strong pillar in all our activities. He is the CEO of Chanakya Consulting, former president, Hyderabad Management Association, and a member of Telangana Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Hyderabad. We have Professor Dr. Muddu Binay sir, Pro Vice Chancellor of prestigious Presidency University, Bangladesh, Bangalore. Presidency University is also one of the leading private universities, not only in Karnataka, but in India. They have a lot of foreign students from different countries across the world. So welcome, sir. We have, thank you so much for your presence. We have Ms. Savita Reddy, CEO, InLingua Bangalore, the world's leading language school. We have a very senior industry expert with us, Dr. J.B. Tiwari sir, Chairman and Managing Director, Sonachi Group of Companies, Mumbai. We have with us Dr. Kuldeep Nagi from Assumption University, Thailand. Sir is always there with us and support all our activities, and a strong pillar to MTC Global. We have Professor Dr. Gautam Rajkhwa, the Newman University, Birmingham, UK. He is always there in almost all our activities. Welcome to Gautam sir. We have with us Dr. P. Ravindranath, Director, RU Consulting Private Limited, and Adjunct Professor and Research Guide, Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham. So we have kept the number of speakers limited for this online version of World Edu Summit, so that the timing can be justified, and all can have little bit more time to share their experience and wisdom with all of us, instead of keeping more number of speakers, and it becomes difficult based on our past experience. And I'm sure that there will be a lot of takeaways at the end of today's session. We'll try to complete the program by 1:30, and need all of your support, and to ensure that program moves on smoothly. Now, I'm not sure whether we have with us Barrister Sameem Haidar Patwari sir. I request Dr. Pradhan sir to kindly connect with Patwari sir if he is present. Okay, he may join shortly.
Sir, within short time, mostly sir will join. I am trying, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I request Professor Dr. Mortis Van Ruyen, whether sir is available with us. I think there is no time zone difference, and that becoming no little. We have to move up and down. Mr. Ramesh Vemuganti, sir, are you there? Mr. Ramesh Vemuganti, sir? Sir, please unmute yourself. Sir, I'll request Mr. Ramesh Vemuganti, the member of Advisory Board MTC Global and a global trainer and speaker, the former president of Hyderabad Management Association, CEO Chanakya Consulting, and the member of Telangana Chambers of Commerce and Industry Hyderabad, a prominent personality in corporate as well as in academia. I request, sir, please start the session input. No, as long as our chief guest joins. So as long as they join, then we can no request them to share their views on today's theme. Sir, please.